this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to prep this in less than 2 hours. Yep, that's right. I normally spend about 7-8 hours on a car. It depends how bad it is, but because the weather is shit, as you can see, I have to find a different way to get it done, so I won't be able to wash it here. So I'm going to show you my my life hack. The interior I'm not too bothered because it's very clean. It only needs a good... The dash cleaner is going to get the job done. Probably it's going to take me, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes to get interior done. There are a few stains on the seats. I'll get those out. Again, I don't think I'm going to need a drill brush. Just wipe it off. So the car just came back from the service, so it's got advisory free MOT. It had new brake discs and pads and new tires, as you can see. So I'm gonna take with me a few products, and that is the fallout remover, tarring glue remover, and olive wheel cleaner, and a brush, and that's it pretty much. That's all I need. But now my phone says that it's gonna rain for the next 45 minutes, so I guess I'm gonna have to wait in the car. But I really want the car up for sale today because I had it for a week now, a bit over a week, and I need to move a bit quick, especially now that I'm doing full time. I can't waste any time really, so the cars have to be in and out, in and out. Right, so I'm at the car wash. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly spray the product on the car and let it sit by the time I get in there. I've been using this car wash for maybe 7 years. I used to work for Shell and I used to wash my car for free. I was washing my personal car every other day, and it does not scratch the paint as people say, and none of that stuff. So I'm just gonna rush a little bit to get the products done. So I'm just hoping that nobody comes behind me, otherwise I'll have to move the car and get back in the queue. Next, the alloy cleaner. The only reason I'm spraying this is because it does a better job than the chemicals they've got. So let this sit for a while, and in the meantime I'm just going to spray some tar and glue just around the car. It's got quite a lot of tar, look at that guys, you can see the runs already. Is not the best spray. It's better now. just in case this doesn't all get removed in the car wash. I'll redo that one, but I don't think that's going to be the case. Look at the runs. This car is covered in tar, maybe because it's white and you can see it, you know. Look at that. Gonna check the boot lid in case it needs some. It does. Look at the runs, guys. It's covered in that. Some on the bonnet as well. I completely forgot about it. It's a bit windy today, so need to make sure I don't get this thing into my eyes. It happened last time and it's not very pleasant. At this point I can't feel my hand already. I'm happy with that. The wheels look pretty good. If I got enough time, just gonna grab the brush and just go around the wheels quickly like this. This one got dried already, so I was a bit too slow. It should be okay. Right, next thing, just gonna put it through the car wash. Program 1, and there we have it, my life hack. Oh, I forgot to check if the car's got an antenna. I guess it's too late for that. And now we wait. Oh, one thing I forgot to do on this car, and that is the tracking. And I realized that on the way here. So the steering wheel is a little bit like that, a bit wonky. So I need to book that in with a different garage, because the one I'm using, they don't do wheel tracking because they haven't got that laser machine. So I need to get that sorted. I think last time I paid it was about 60 quid if I can remember right, which is not too bad, to be honest. This is what I like about this car wash. So the Super Shine, which is the top one, it cost me £6, and that cleans the car, cleans the wheels, it puts some wax on, and then it dries off the car. And this saves me a lot of time and effort, to be honest with you. And I'm gonna probably be doing this for a while, especially during this time, because it's so cold out there and the weather is not great. So this is just gonna save me some time. Now I'm proper pissed. As soon as I stepped out the car wash, it started to rain. Fucking hell, look at that. Just had the car dried and now it's wet again, look. Whoa. Obviously this is a massive fail, but at least it's better than nothing. So what I'm gonna do is take the car home. Oh, I didn't remove all that. I'm gonna have to redo that. So what I'm gonna do is take the car home, and then I'm just gonna give it a quick clean with a washing wax, and then I can start working on it. The yellows are pretty good, could be better, but at least it saved me some time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Right, so today is an epic fail, guys. I mean, this is the reality of the car trade, especially when you trade from home and you don't have a garage. It's just one of those days. So obviously I washed the car. I just had to drive the car back on the motorway, and it's filthy again. So I'm gonna give up on this one today, because now the weather app is showing me that it's gonna rain for the next 3 hours. So there's no point doing anything about it. You can see the dark clouds. Yeah, but it is what it is. But the good part is, on the way here I stopped to Quick Fit, and I just had the wheel alignments done. So that's done and dusted. So tomorrow I'll have to, well, maybe not tomorrow, because tomorrow is showing bad weather again. It's apparently this other storm called Franklin or something like that. So I'll probably have to wait another day or two. And I've got quite a few more cars to prep. I've got another Range Rover that needs to be done. I've got the Nissan Qashqai I got in part exchange for the Ford Focus, but that needs to go to the body shop first. Same as the iX35, that needs to go to the body shop first after it gets the clutch done. It's going to be a really busy week, challenging, because I just can't get it done because of the weather. So if you're gonna start trading from a flat, just think about it. So that's it for today, guys. We'll catch up on the next video. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to mention that there is a power cut as well, so I won't be able to edit any videos or get any work done. So I guess I'm gonna read a book or something, I don't know.